about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
If it all works out today, we're gonna go to CarMax and hopefully they just take it off my hands. I'm gonna sell it to them.
Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We
look at this.
can't miss out.
OG Primal plate.
I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Hey, I'm gonna miss driving this car. This car's really comfortable. Well, I'm just sitting here in the car kind of admiring this whole thing. Look at this. Look at that. It keeps on going and going.
Do the
How much is my car worth?
yeah, exactly. They do it for like a joke. Oh, look. Well,
Yeah, I'm actually
what?
trying to sell it.
Thank you. Go find that special person who's willing to pay the exotic car price for it.
Right.
So here we're looking at the 2015 Land Rover, the dynamic trim level. It's gray, 57,000 miles. Now, you also have the smart key parking sensors. These are the things that they're the options that you're looking at. Navigation, power locks, windows. Oh, you have a heated steering wheel. Nice.
I got all everything.
You need an air-conditioned one in California.
Heck yeah.
You have leather, power seats, turbocharged automatic four-wheel drive option. Now these are the conditions that we look at. So inside we're looking at headliners, seats, carpet. We check for smells, the dash, radio, windshield. So that's all good. Mechanically it sounds fine. The four-wheel drive works. You got a few little door dings, you know, which is expected and it is used. The rest of the vehicle looks good. The tires, the hoods, the doors, the roofs, quarter panels. Structurally, no frame damage. Real important because you're going to get less money on something that has some structural damage to it. Right. It is a Range Rover, as you know.
Terrible.
Oh, look at that! Nice! And then I'll be right back.
Not bad.
All right.
Super nice lady, by the way. So the cars were $25,500, which is good. I was estimating between 25 to 28. It's good. I'm gonna say goodbye to it, guys. Kind of sad, honestly. I'm gonna have to take a picture of it before we leave.
And then definitely keep my number handy, so if you need something.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna say goodbye to it. Guys, the moment is real. I'm about to rip off the plate really quick. Man! You know, I think this deserves a last cinematic. How plastic up these? Because they're silver. And I like them black. I took the Primal plate off. Alright, say goodbye, car. Say goodbye, car. I'll sit back here one more time. It's hard to explain to you guys how special this car is to us because it's one of our milestones of accomplishments, and accomplishments are never measured in material items, but it's just a milestone of remembrance of when we achieved an X amount of goal. And the goal was not always financials, it was more of like personal life securities and happiness. And this is when we got our Turbo, our dog, and then we wanted something more comfortable because we were doing a lot of road trips at the time, hanging out with family. This is one of the things that Iris and I talked about when we first dated was, you know, our like astronomical dream was to own a really nice car one day, and it would never be possible because I never thought I'd have a job good enough to buy nice cars. And years later, many hard times, and you know, Iris and I used to buy groceries at the dollar store, and fast forward many years later, when we made enough, we were like, you know what, let's go get that car, and we got this thing. Yeah, so to let it go, it's like kind of sucky, but financially it does not make sense to keep it. And I have enough video and memories of this to have and keep, but I cannot keep this car because financially it would be a terrible decision. But I do love it, but I will never sell the Subaru, that's for sure. Beautiful car. Okay, let's go sign it over. Oh, goodbye. Goodbye. Talk about a plot twist. I'm back in the car. The license plate is right here still. I got a text from one of our old buddies. He was like, yo, we might want to buy the car off you. I was like, what? So I'll give them under private sale blue book, but just slightly above the dealer blue book, you know, so that way it's like fair to both parties and they'll get a good deal for a nice car. So I'm driving home now and hopefully they can let me know by tomorrow if they want the car or not. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and sell it to a CarMax. But I am paranoid as fuck driving around because I don't want anything to happen to it because I'm pretty close to like actually selling the car. Hey baby girl, oh my gosh, you are a mess. Yogurt? And what is that? Blueberry? What character is this? What is this, Aaliyah? Let me see her face. Oh my gosh. Is that lotion? So while we wait for the news on if we're gonna sell the car or not, I'm moving a bunch of furniture from the house and from the office to the new office. Get rid of some stuff here, but we'll be able to repurpose a lot of this. So if you guys haven't noticed, basically what we're doing is we're trying to repurpose a lot of the stuff that we have into our business. That way we don't have to spend a lot of money. One of the ideas is the Range Rover, selling the Range Rover, take that money that we're gonna get from it and then actually put it into the business. Fingers crossed it all works out. Get some space too in the meantime. Look at this. You excited? You excited? So we have contractors here measuring out the building to build some walls. It's pretty exciting. We're getting pretty close. It's my white friend. Hi, white friend. Hey, are you guys riding?
Yeah.
The go-kart? Right, baby? What do you think?
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go. Be free with
You want the camera? Is that what you want? Alright guys, we're gonna try to play a little game. We have the Nerf gun, some bottles, and a crazy cart. So we're gonna see if we can drive as we shoot. And I'm gonna do it with a baby here, so Thomas has no excuse.
Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for.
Right under it. Okay, Leah, do you think he's gonna hit it? I don't know. Oh, just to the left. Okay, ready, go. Full throttle. Woo! Here's the bottle we're shooting. So that's a pretty big Gatorade bottle. What? Oh, this is so dangerous. Not so easy, Thomas. Not so easy, is it? Oh yeah, I hit it. Okay, I got it. Hey, I held that one for a while too. I found a ball collecting time. Another ball right over there. Right on this. Good game. Rematch soon?
Yeah.
Rematch. So quick recap from today. It's been a crazy day. I know the vlog is not crazy interesting, but I wanted to commit to the daily vlogs for you guys. Whoa! Thomas just jumped. I gotta get that again. Jump again, Thomas, and we'll get it on camera. Pretty much I've been from my house to new office to old office to new office to my house to lunch to new office to old house. No, you're not gonna be able to jump it, dude. It's too high.
I don't know, maybe.
Maybe Tanner Fox can do it. But we definitely can't do it. It's been a crazy day. Contractors are here trying to quote us for the place. And then what we're trying to do is get this wall built up so we can open them quickly. You know what? Let's get Thomas jumping this. Woo! So yeah, it's one of those busy vlog days that isn't a vlog. It's a day in the life of me, and I know it's not always very interesting.
Yeah, that's
but yeah, dude, it's really hard to get up there. I can't do it. I'm sure with practice we can. Yeah, with the razor. Yeah, that thing is heavy though.
Yeah, this thing's like way heavy.
But Thomas came and helped me check all the plugs and wires and to make sure everything's good up to par. And then Iris is over there with the contractors laying out plans. And then Aaliyah's here hanging out with us. I just finished an edit over there while here. And then from there I gotta rush home and try to upload it for you guys because I'm a bit late for uploads. Just a daily grind, man.